2008 Lexus. I'm just doing this short video to show you how people burn up their compressors. Now we know the ambient temperature is only 62, 65 degrees right now, but this is my discharge line compressor temperature out of the compressor. 195 degrees because the system is low on charge. Another one, this is how you burn up compressors when you allow a vehicle to run low on charge. We're only at 65, 62 degree ambient temperature, and that's our discharge temperature. If we were at a 80, 90, or 100 some degrees, that would be well approaching the close to 300 degree level. And another situation where if you were a customer and you go, well, I want some cooling is better than no cooling, I'm just gonna run it. And you listen to those guys in shops who squirt off the little jerk off cans into the car and popping off all the time. Every time you let your compressor, electric compressor, this is a high voltage 3-phase electric compressor that has hot windings like a heater coil. They rely on cold refrigerant to cool them off. This is how you burn them out, by listening to the guys who say, oh, just let it go and top it off. And you hear the guys who say, oh, well, I done it to my car and I got away with it a bunch of times. But what about that customer who doesn't get away with it a bunch of times and has a $3,000 or $4,000 bill because the system's littered with metal flake, and you have to go from there, from the compressor, replace the condenser, lines, expansion valve, pull the dash for 7-8 hours, evaporator core, because they listen to that guy of, I got away with it and I done it with mine. And this is exactly how you burn up compressors.